Okay, class, let's solve the more challenge questions. Okay, according to the questions, you need to make sure all the terms of S must be equal with the one that having in the above one. So what you need to do is you need to use your own creativity. Let me teach you. Okay, you want to make an A as a 3, and then if you want to make it the numerator, so you just adding s minus 3. Since you put the minus 3 over here to make it balance, so you need to plus with 3, and then we plus the 7 over here. You just bring it here, and then you have s minus 3 over here plus 16. Okay, so what you can do is you can combine this term. So you will have s minus 3 plus 10 over here, and then you have s minus 3 squared plus 16. Okay, all right. So according to this question, you know that all the terms that having s, and then we have a over here. So it's a very simple. So now you know that your a is equal to 3, and then your f's exclude the a is s plus 10 over s squared plus 16. So this one is actually, you may apply the linearity properties where it can separate between s squared plus 16 and 10 s squared plus 16. In order to make it as in a general form, you may create as x squared plus 4 squared plus 10 over s squared plus 4 squared. Okay, all right. According to this one, you will get directly your ft over here. Okay, for this one, you may refer the table where the table telling you that you will got cos at. So at for this one is this one, and then you will got this one as a sine 40 for this one. All right, so since you already got your a over here, we represent exponent at 3t over here, and then your final answer is, okay, this is your final answer. You are combined between exponent 3t with the one that you obtain over here, which is cos 40 plus sine 40. Okay, class, don't be too confident for this one because you got the wrong one. Okay, because when you have 10 over s squared plus 4 squared, you need to convert that. You have a 10 outside here, 1 over s squared plus 4 squared over here, and then you need to modify your expression. So you will get over here, you need to put 4 over here as an a, and then you have to divide by 4. So according to this one, you will get directly from the table, which is 10 over 4 over here is actually the constant, and then here you will get sine 4t. By combining all together again, you will get ft is equal to exponent 3t, and then you will have cos 40 plus with, okay, this one you may simplify 5 over 2 sine 40. So this is the correct answer. Please be careful. Sometimes we know how to answer, but with the careless, we did a mistakes, and then we will not get the correct answer. Alright? Okay, class, this is it's quite different with the previous one, since you have two terms over here. Previously, we only have one terms. Okay, in order to make it these two terms to become just like previous one, you need to apply the completing the square. So in here, the idea of the completing the square is needed. Okay, how to complete the square? Okay, let me express to you. Okay, so you have x squared plus 6x. If you want to complete this expression, the first thing that you need to do is please make sure the coefficient over here is 1. Okay, if not that one, you need to bring it outside. You need to factorize. So since it's already in 1 as its coefficient, so you may complete by using this template where what you want to complete is s, and then you just need to put over here is half of this one. Half of 6 is 3, and then you need to put over here is the square for this term. Then square for this term is 9. So you already complete the square. And then what you need to do is you need to combine it together. So you have a 3s over here, and then you have s plus 3 squared minus 9 minus 16 over here. So now you already have a quite general equation, which is 3s over s plus 3 squared, and then for this one is actually minus what, minus 25. Okay, so it's quite simple to solve this one, as we know that we need to identify our a. Our a now is negative 3. So in order to have or to use the first shift theorem, so your s over here must also with plus with 3. Okay, so what you need to do is over here is, okay, you need to modify your expression, your equation. So you will have 3 over here. You will have s, you have plus 3. And then, okay, please be careful. When you add in with 3, you need to minus with 3 so that it will balance. All right, so over here it's remain as plus 3 squared minus, okay, let me directly put in a square form, which is 5 square. All right, okay, so you insert back, you will get, okay, over here 3 s plus 3, and then minus 9 over s plus 3 squared minus 5 squared. All right, okay, so according to this one, you can have your a. Okay, you confirm that your a is 3, and then your fs now is, okay, 3s minus 9 over s squared minus 5 squared. Okay, so is actually the terms over here is in the what we call linear form. So you can separate it. You will get 3s over here, s squared minus 5 squared minus 9 over s squared minus 5 squared. All right, okay, so now you will have your ft for the function. For this one, you have 3 as a constant, and then you will have what we call it, you will have okay, so since here is negative, so you will got the answer is in terms of cos hyperbolic, and then you have a is 5t, and then over here is, okay, over here is you have your 9, and then you need to have, all right, okay, let me have in here, you need to have 5 over here. Okay, you need to have a 5, and then Okay, your A is 5. And then you have s squared minus 5 squared. Since you put 5 over here, you need to put 5 over here. So you have your ft here is complete cos hyperbolic 5t. And then 9 over 5 is constant. And then for this one, you actually got the sine hyperbolic 5t. Alright, okay, so your final answer, so I put star over here. Your final answer is the combination of the exponent A. Where is your A? A is your 3. Your A is 3 or negative 3? Okay, your A is a negative 3. So negative 3t, and then just combine with this one, 3 cos hyperbolic 5t minus 9 over 5 sine hyperbolic 5t. So you will get the answer. Okay, good luck.